Two new features just landed in Tango Pro, and it's going to change the way you capture. Flexible steps and combined steps are now here. Let me show you how it works. When you capture a tango, steps that involve typing or selecting from a drop-down menu or a radio button often capture the exact thing that you enter. But sometimes you want people to enter their own information. This is what we call a flexible step. So if you typed in Jane Smith as somebody's name, the next time somebody goes to use your Tango, it's going to automatically type in Jane Smith, and this might not be what you want. This is where flexible steps come in. Now, Tango automatically marks those steps as flexible. Anytime somebody uses Guide Me to follow your process, they'll have the flexibility to enter their own information instead of being locked into yours. Want a step to be specific instead? You can always turn off the flexible tag in edit mode. And if you want to make other steps flexible, just click the three-dot menu next to any step and toggle on the flexible tag. You can even make steps flexible later on, even if Tango didn't make them flexible automatically. Next, do you ever capture a tango that ends up being way longer than it needs to be, especially when you're clicking through submenus and extra clicks? Each click ends up with its own step, and suddenly a simple process is now 20 steps long. Combined Steps takes care of that. Tango looks at the page layout and automatically groups related tasks together. The result, tangos that are 30 to 40% shorter and much easier to follow. And if you're ever not loving a combination, you can uncombine the steps in edit mode. Both of these features are now live in your Tango Pro subscription. There's no setup and you can test them right now. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more product updates. I'm Mark. Let's Tango.